Hey there guys, Chet here. Starting a window cleaning business is one of the fastest ways to make real money, but most beginners make the same mistakes that keep them from ever becoming profitable. They focus on the wrong things, they buy the wrong equipment, and they do not know how to stand out. Well, today I'm going to give you the complete blueprint to do it the right way. Before you buy a single squeegee or print a single flyer, you need to understand that a successful business is built on a solid foundation. You absolutely need essential things from day one to succeed. You need a brain for your business, which is your software. For this, my top recommendation is Quote IQ because it is designed from the ground up to help you win more jobs, not just manage the ones you already have. And because getting started on the right foot is so critical, we've partnered with them to give you something special. Now, if you use the link that I've put down in the description, Quote IQ will give you a free white glove onboarding session and import all of your contacts to help you get running fast. This bonus is only available through our link, so don't miss it. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's talk about the first real step, which is figuring out where you're going to work. This is a step that most beginners get wrong. You need to find your gold mine. You do this by driving around your town and looking for the right kind of properties. You're looking for suburban areas with two-story homes that have lots of windows. You are also looking for new commercial areas with storefronts and restaurants. These jobs are often repeatable. Now, you should also look for neighborhoods where you can already see other window cleaning trucks working. That's not competition. That is proof that people in that area are willing to pay for this service. You're not looking for the tallest skyscrapers in your city. You're looking for neighborhoods where busy, working families live and business owners who care about their appearance. These are people who value a clean and professional image more than they value saving a few dollars. That is your perfect customer. Now, once you know where you want to work, you need to get your equipment. I want to be very clear about this. You do not need a $5,000 water-fed pole system and a brand new truck to start a successful window cleaning business. That is a myth that holds too many people back from ever really getting started. You can start this business with a lean and professional setup at a very low cost. All you really need are three key pieces of equipment. First, a reliable, professional-grade squeegee and scrubber. A good set will cost between $50 and $100 and will last for years with new rubber. Second, you need a few quality buckets, good microfiber towels, and a professional cleaning solution which will cost you around $50 to $75. And third, you need a sturdy extension pole and a good ladder to safely reach higher windows, which will be about $150 to $300. With just those three types of tools and a reliable car to carry them, you're officially in business. I've seen people get started for under $500 by finding good used gear. Your customers don't care about the brand of your squeegee. They care that you show up on time and that you make their windows look great. Now let's talk about the money. How much can you actually charge and how much can you earn doing this? For a standard residential home, most jobs will be priced somewhere between $150 and $300 for an interior and exterior cleaning. Now the real power of a window cleaning business is in its recurring revenue. You're not looking for one-time jobs. You're building a list of loyal clients who pay you every single quarter or every 6 months. Let's do the simple math. If you get just 5 jobs a week, paying you an average of $200 each, that's $1,000 a week. That adds up to more than $4,000 a month in consistent and predictable income. And that's before you add any extra high-profit services like cleaning screens, wiping down tracks, or removing hard water stains. The earning potential is huge and it's very realistic, but you cannot make any money without customers, so how do you actually get customers? You know, it's much simpler than you think. You do not need a big marketing budget. You need to start with the basics that work. The first thing you should do is get some cheap yard signs made that say something like window cleaning service with your phone number, and then put them in busy areas near the neighborhoods that you want to work in. Next, print out some simple flyers or door hangers and walk through those neighborhoods, leaving one at every single house. This really is still the most effective way to get your first customers. You also need to use Facebook. Join your local town and community groups and post about your new business. Let people know that you are available for work. Show some pictures of your equipment and be professional. Once you get your first few happy customers, word of mouth will become your most powerful marketing tool. A happy customer will always tell their neighbors about your great work. That brings us to the most important part of this whole video. How do you stand out from the competition when there are so many other people cleaning windows? The secret is professionalism. Anyone can wipe a window, but not everyone can run a professional business. You stand out by answering your phone when a potential customer calls. You stand out by showing up to their house on time. And you stand out by sending them a beautiful professional quote quickly after you talk to them. This is another reason why I recommend having a great tool like Quote IQ from day one. Now, while your competition is writing down a price on a messy piece of paper, you can use Quote IQ on your phone to send an amazing looking quote with different pricing options before you even leave the customer's driveway. This one thing will make you look more professional than 99% of your competition. It shows the customer that you are a serious business owner. You also stand out by doing the little things right. Wear a clean shirt. Use shoe covers inside and always make sure there are no drips or messes left behind. Finally, I want you to think about the future because this business is scalable. Cleaning windows by yourself is a great way to start and make a lot of money, but it does not have to be just you forever. Once you have a solid base of, say, 20 or 30 recurring clients, you can make your first hire. You can add a second truck and a second crew. You can go from making $5,000 a month by yourself to making $15,000 or $20,000 a month with the team. The goal is not just to buy yourself a job. The goal is to build a real business, a business that can run without you, and a valuable asset that you could one day sell if you choose to. That's the real freedom that starting a window cleaning business can give you. So if you're ready to start winning more jobs with a more powerful sales tool, do not forget to use that link that I put down in the description and get that free white glove onboarding session with Quote IQ. All right, that is it for this masterclass. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.